So you want to grow your own food, but you can't keep anything alive. Then you need to watch this. 2 of the reasons why most people fail at growing their own food is not enough water and poor soil management. So if you can't keep anything alive, this video is for you. And if you're totally lost, I did a video already that explains how to set up these containers to have standing water inside of them and make sure at the same time you're not drowning your plants. Start growing things in my self-wicking containers. See, most problems start by people forgetting to water their plants or not knowing when to. So if you grow them in these huge containers, you always have water available to your plants that'll get slowly leaked back into the soil. You've got to start growing things this way first so you can graduate and grow things another way. So that leads me to making sure you have the proper soil in those containers. So in every one of my containers, I have black cow, peat moss, and some pine bark mulch. And before you say it's pretty expensive, just remember this is only a one-time cost because you're not changing soil every year. So after you got yourself some containers set up and you got you the proper soil mixture, try growing something in it, then tell me you can't keep nothing alive. Because I promise you, you can.